Yo, what up? This is James Chad, baby! And I'm here today to make Scooby Snack Attack. You want to know what that is? Well, I don't know! But I tell you one thing though. You add Minute Maid pink lemonade. You open it up. You put that baby in the bowl like this. You like to sleep, baby? Yeah. You pull out the fork and the spoon. Alright? So what you do next, you get some Skittles. Yeah, Skittles. You open the baby up. You make sure they drop like boom, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay, now you get some Scooby Smackers, baby. Look, peanut butter jelly. But combine together. And what you do is you got a spoon, you whip that baby in there, you should be look good like that. Ooh, it's not going down. Oh, baby, yeah. Yeah. Oh, and you mix that baby in there. Oh, yeah. Make that.
What's wrong like there? Yeah.
It's getting all. It's getting delicious, baby. Look at that. Next, what you do now is get some animal crackers right here, like Bonama's animal crackers. And you put them in there, and you put it, woo, woo, woo. Look at that. You have a cacao in there, hippopotamus, and then we put them in there like that. And you go like that. Yeah, baby, yeah. You mix it in there. Make sure it gets soggy, baby. You know you like that. Nice and wet. You like it white, nice and wet, yeah. Yeah, you mash it in there. They made it like crab and dough. Then you do get some nice Krispy Kremes, baby, yeah. And you open that up like that. Oh, damn. It's chocolate, baby. You open that up, and you break that in there. Oh, look at that. It's like rocks and fire on there, baby. You put that in there, you crush it up. Like that, you make sure it goes in there. Crunch, 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 yeah. And you break it in there. And of course you're gonna mix it up again, like that. And this is gonna be good, baby, this is gonna be good, that's right, come on and change it, yeah, go like that. You put in granola cereal, cause everyone loves freaking cereal. Got some Minute Maid, you got a lot of goodness, yeah, you put that, you come on, you put your peanut butter and jelly, like that. Dunkin' Donuts, yeah! You're probably wondering, like, oh man, what's gonna get next? The Dunkin' Donuts is good, dude. Go like this. Put that in there. Donut, 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 donut. Another donut. You want half? You can have half, baby. Yeah, he's gonna have half, yeah. Thank you, my volunteer. And you put like that. Now the last bit is cornflakes, yeah! You open it up, of course, just like everything else. Oh, 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 mother. Mother's gonna hate me for this, but oh. And then you open it up like that. Oh, pop goes the weasel. And you pour that in there. Oh, that looks like cereal right there. That looks like, but anyways. Now, we're gonna mix that shit up. This is a Scooby Snack Attack, okay? Now pray for me, alright? Now you're ready. This is how it goes, alright? Get in there. Oh. What?
Have you ever had
Let's go, baby. Oh, shit. Oh shit! Bad shit.
It looks like throwing.
Oh, I'm in pain. And that is how you make a Scooby Snack Attack. Do you think you can eat it? If you can, try it. This is JG, and I'm out. Peace. Eating a Scooby Snack Attack.
This is Byron, and I'm gonna eat that Scooby Snack Attack.
It had some cornflakes, some granola cereal,
A black man, but
some animal crackers,
some Skittles.
Skittles, pink lemonade, like if I could find it,
Minute Maid.
some peanut butter and jelly,
Some graham
and
crackers.
some
How much crackers?
donuts, and
Donuts.
ew,
Whatever it is.
and he's eating it. And it looks really disgusting.
It looks like throw up.
It did.
He-
Twice.
Uh,
No, 4 times.
So what's your favorite part?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I don't even know what's in this. What is it? Animal crackers? I don't know.
Dude, your facial expression is telling me you're sick. Is this true? Be honest.
Well, not really.
Okay.
Well, I know my facial expression says it, but not really.
Yeah.
It's just like because I'm chewing this Skittle, and it's hard to chew it on.
Is it better eating with the spoon, or you'll be able to down it the whole bowl?
No, I'm pretty much eat it, just eat it. I don't know.
You know, but right here it looks like beans and rice, dude.
It does.
That's some good stuff.
It's good stuff. So how do you like the Scooby Snack Attack? What is your favorite? Like, can you taste like the donut or the Skittle or what? You taste the lemonade more or what?
Yeah, I taste the lemonade more.
Because the lemonade has a little spice to it, huh? I guess a little kick to it.
little tang.
A little pooty tang.
I can feel it right now.
Yeah. How you like them animal crackers?
Hello?
Good stuff.
Yeah. Have you found the hippo yet? Is that an animal cracker or no?
Yeah, I think the hippo's dead.
Try and find an animal and show me. Show the what is that? Is that what animal is that?
I have no idea.
That looks like it does look like a buffalo or something. It's like so completely molded now that you don't even know what the heck it looks like now.
Oh man, Skittles.
Dude,
don't
if
have
you
to
want
finish it.
if you want to stop, you can stop. I don't want you having the seizure for eating the Scooby Snack Attack. This is dangerous stuff here. All right. So if you want, you do us a favor, you can throw it away, and I will film you throwing this stuff away.
It's like, but I don't want
Do the right thing. If you want to be a warrior, eat it. But if you want to later on walk and we find you on the ground, what? And we don't want that. We don't want no exorcist stuff or.
One more.
One more?
Yeah.
Right. Do you know you'd be the honors of throwing it away?
Oh yeah.
What is that? It's throw up.
Huh?
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, Skittles too, all that?
Now that was the Scooby Snack Attack, and just plain out disgusting.
Wait, hold on. This is the moment of truth. Hold on. This will forever be in history forgotten. May whoever tried this survive